Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got another beautiful bag for you today. So this is a Saint Laurent, one of my favourite brands. It is the Loulou in the size small, and it's in this gorgeous kind of sophisticated neutrally beige colour. I really like it. We've got an adjustable strap, so you can have it as a shorter double strap like this, or this is a really nice strap. It pulls through really nice and easily, and then you've got a nice long strap as well, and you've got kind of a dark antique-y looking gold toned hardware, which goes really nicely with this neutral colour. And then we've got that YSL badge on the front, and we've got press stud fasten, and inside we've got three sections. So we've got this one central zip section, and again all these zips and all this hardware is really nice and smooth. And then we've got two more sections, so we've got one at the front and then one at the back with one flat pocket in it there. The condition of it, it's in a really gorgeous condition. We've called the exterior good, and that is just because of this one. You can see kind of a slip mark on that corner. So I'll show it right up to the camera so you can see it. But other than that, that is the sole reason that we have called it good, because other than that, it's in a really gorgeous condition. You can see that shape is really nice. That kind of puffy quilted leather is all really nice. And there's no marks for me to show you other than that one on the front corner. The rest of that leather is gorgeous. Even on these handles, it's perfect. So that is why I've called that exterior good. The hardware we've called very good. There's actually very minimal wear to the hardware. If you look inside of that press stud fasten, you can see a bit of scratching, but the rest of it is perfect. There is no wear to it at all. And again, it's got that kind of antique-y look to it, but it's actually in a very nice condition. And then the interior, again, we've called very good. We've got a really slight little mark, very slight marking on the interior, just on that flap closure. But again, it's really minimal, and then other than that, there is nothing for me to show you on that interior. It's in a really gorgeous condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got a couple of Louisa the Aroma bits. So we've got the returns tag and the product tag, as well as the Louisa the Aroma box. And then we've also got a few Saint Laurent bits. So we've got a little plastic envelope, and then we've got a Saint Laurent envelope. Inside there we have got Saint Laurent RFID, Saint Laurent care card, and we've got a little Saint Laurent product card as well. And then finally we've got a Saint Laurent dust bag, and that's a big Saint Laurent paper bag as well. So it comes with all the extra bits, so it would be a really gorgeous gift. If you'd like to know a few more details on it, if you'd like the link to shop, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop. It will take you straight to this bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But it is a really gorgeous bag. So if you have been looking out for one of these, you can let us know and we'll get you on our request list for one. And that just means as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and then you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on these reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4", and with that longer strap I can pop it really nice and comfortably crossbody like that, and it's just a really gorgeous colour. And I think it's the perfect size in a size small, because you can use it in the daytime. You've got enough space in there for all your essentials during the day, but then it's small enough to kind of transition really nice and easily into the evening as well. And this colour will just go with everything too. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, have a look at all of our other gorgeous Armcandy, and don't forget, while you're on there, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you very soon with some more gorgeous bags.